Hello everybody, this is Rollo with Winterbrose, and in this video demonstration we're going to show you how to test the normals for 3D models that you create in Unity 3D. You can see here we've loaded Unity 5.5 and we've already loaded the Ethan character, and we also loaded two bottles from our potion bottle collection. And so we want to demonstrate for you how you're going to know if the normals are correct in the model you create in your own 3D application or if they're not. So we have two demonstrations here. One's actually been corrected and one hasn't. So we're going to go ahead and turn on this model's potion bottle 19 pieces. We'll go ahead and turn it on in the scene. And as you can see, it looks a little awkward. You can see, what we'll do is you can see we can see the inside of the glass looks solid, and the outside of the glass we're like looking through it, and that's because the normals on this are reversed. What we'll do is we'll expand this. We'll go ahead and turn off the cover, and you can see when we look down on this, you'll be able to you can see a little bit better how the see how it looks like that. You see, it's like the normals on the inside look good from the inside. Excuse me, the normals on the outside. If we can look at them from in, you probably can't see them. So, well, it's kind of hard to tell, but it looks like the glass is kind of weird, and there's no transparency set on right now, so it shouldn't look this way at all. And that's because the normals are actually flipped and reversed, so you can't see. You can see through it like a one-way glass, looking through the outer layer, and the inner layers you're seeing it. But if you're looking from the inside out, which I was trying to get a view of that, let's see if we can get down in there and pull a view up for that, to where you can see if we're inside the glass. Yeah, you can see how you can look through the glass, and you can see the grid down here on the bottom. So basically the normals are all reversed from what we're expecting. Like I said, there's no transparency turned on for this object at the moment. So what we're going to do is we'll show you. So if you load an object and you can see through it, and you aren't expecting that, what you can do is, well, actually, here, I'll tell you, let's turn off the glass and let's do the cover. Okay, I think the cover looks like the normals on that cover are correct. So you can see how you can't see through it. So those are okay. So we'll turn this back off. Let's go ahead and turn everything on, and then we'll just turn off the main one. And we'll show you what the it should look like when the normals have been corrected in your 3D modeling application. So here we'll turn the glass, this one back on, and you see it looks like you can't see through the glass. It's solid as we expect it to be. So basically, if you load a model that you've created and you can see through it and you don't expect to, you probably need to flip the normals. Now, the application we used to create these, we basically had to flip all the normals for the whole complete model. But you might have segments in your model that need flipped and not just the whole thing. So you might have to, in your application, you might have to select those regions and just flip those portions. So there's the one with the normals that are proper for Unity. And we'll go ahead and turn it off. And here's one that's the normals are not proper. We shouldn't be able to see through this glass. Glass, because we don't have the transparency turned on. It's still solid color, so it should look like a solid model. We hope that helped demonstrate a little bit how to test normals in Unity 3D, and we hope you have a great day.